Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to plant collards from seeds. To begin, select a high-quality, well-draining seed-starting mix for your collard seeds. Plant each seed about 1/2 inch deep in individual cells or trays. It's crucial to maintain a consistent soil temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to encourage germination. Ensure your seedlings receive at least 6 hours of bright light every day, using grow lights if natural light is insufficient. Once your collard seedlings have developed a few true leaves, it's time to prepare them for the outdoors. Before transplanting, harden them off for 7 to 10 days by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions. Select a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. Space your collard plants 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for ample growth. Enrich the soil with a generous amount of compost to provide essential nutrients. Proper care is essential for healthy collard plants. Water your collards regularly, aiming to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, especially during dry spells. Every 3 to 4 weeks, apply a balanced fertilizer to support vigorous leaf production. Keep an eye out for common pests such as cabbage worms and aphids, and address them promptly. Applying a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch around your plants will help retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. You can typically begin harvesting your collard greens when the leaves are 6 to 10 inches long, usually about 45 to 60 days after transplanting. To harvest, pick the outer, lower leaves first, snapping them off at the stem. Always leave at least 6 central leaves on the plant to ensure continued production throughout the growing season. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more leaves, providing you with a continuous supply of fresh collards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.